Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 7, subject physical science, chapter 5. Students, already I was finished this lesson, acid, bases and salts. Today we will discuss about this lesson worksheet. First, all of you take A4 sheet, write date, name, class, subject, lesson name and write in worksheet. Students, I have discussed about 10 questions for you. You only write the answers, okay? First questions. Ammonia is found in many household products. Ammonia is found in many household products such as windows cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? So ammonia is found in many household. நம்ம வீட்டில் நிறைய பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா நிறைய விண்டோஸ் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, கார் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டோர்ஸ் க்ளீன்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நிறைய சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் them present in this solution is ammonia. Which one is ammonia? So it turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Is it acidic or basic? So basic away red litmus to blue. Litmus paper red to blue turns achna, which is a acidic or basics? Write the answer. Okay. Second question. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? What is the use of this solution? Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? For already I told what is the natural indicators. What are the natural indicators, students? You know? Any one of you? Yes, litmus. Next. What? Students, what are the natural indicators? Yes, litmus, China rose and turmeric. These are the natural indicators. What is the use of these solutions? What is the use of this solution? Write the answer. Third question. What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? What is the common name? What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? CaOCl2. So what is be CaO and Cl2? Write the answers. Okay. Fourth one. How is concentration of hydronium ions affected when a solution of acid is diluted? So hydronium ions, which of the solution is affected in acids? Hydronium ions and the acids affect pannum. That is my question. So write the answers. Next, fifth one. Dash feel slippery to touch. எதை டச் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு மாதிரி ஃபீல் கிடைக்கும். தட் இஸ் த ஆசிட். கை ஒரு மாதிரி மொர மொர அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம். எதுலையாவது நம்ம கரண்ட் ஷாக் ஜிவ்னு இருக்கும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆசிட், பேஸ் ஆர் அல்கலை, சால்ட், ஆல் ஆஃப் தீஸ் இதில் எதை அந்த மாதிரி டச் பண்ணால் ஃபீல் ஸ்லிப்பரி டு டச் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் மை கொஷின்ஸ். Next, we use choline to clean the mirrors and glasses. It will change the color of litmus paper too. ஆல்ரெடி வீட்டில் நம்ம டோர் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, விண்டோஸ் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கோலின் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். கோலின் டு க்ளீன் த மிரர் அண்ட் கிளாஸஸ். இட் வில் சேஞ்சஸ் தி கலர் ஆஃப் லிட்மஸ் பேப்பர் டூ. ஸோ லிட்மஸ் பேப்பரில் அது என்ன கலர் சேஞ்சஸ் ஆகும்? அசிடிக்கா, பேசிக்கா, ப்ளூவா, ரெட்டா, எல்லோ ஆர் க்ரீன்? விச் ஒன் இஸ் சேஞ்ச்டு? So that is the acidic or basic. Okay. Next question, true or false? Next one is the true or false. Seventh one. Nitric acid turns red litmus blue. True or false? Nitric acids இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? Nitric acid என்றது ஒரு acid or bases? Guess it. Okay. Nitric acid turns red litmus to blue. Which one is turned red litmus to blue? Blue litmus to red. Which one is acid? Which one is base? Think it and write the answer. Okay. Think it and write the answer. Next, eighth one. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. True or false? Sodium hydroxide is the acid or base? Students? Yes. So sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus to red. Think and write the answers. Okay. Next, indicator is a substances. Indicator is a substances which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. Indicators is a substance. Already I told what are the indicators, what are the uses of indicators. Already I told Indicator is a substances which shows different colors in acidic and basic. Different colors in acidic and basics. So acids and base la nama indicators apply பண்ணும்போது to get a different colors. To get a different colors. Which one is acidic and which one is basic. Okay. Next. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. What is mean tooth decay? You know, think it. Is caused by the presence of acids or base. Acids or other base. Okay. Then next. Match the following column 1 and column 2. First one is the tartaric acid, calcium hydroxide, formic acid, sodium hydroxide and lactic acid. Which one is the tartaric acid? Soap, calcium oxide, soap, curd, unripe mangoes, ant string and lime water. So match the column. Tartaric acid எந்த இதில் presence ஆயிருக்கும்? Calcium hydroxide இதில் presence ஆயிருக்கும். Which one is present in calcium oxide? Formic acid, which one is present in formic acid? Sodium hydroxide, which one present in sodium hydroxide? And lactic acid, which one is present in lactic acid? So think it and write the answers. Students, I have attached this worksheet PDF. Okay, all of you write in A4 sheet. Okay, and then revise the questions, daily homework. Okay, thank you students.